Let's check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Bicentennial Oldsmobile. It's a 1976 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Coupe. 455 V8 power underneath hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at the chrome grille. Headlight surrounds, bumper. Oldsmobile hood ornament still intact. Black exterior, dark saddle interior. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, and definitely check out the undersides. Looks like this car was undercoated when new. You'll be able to see the engine bay, trunk, interior, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Hankook white wall radial tires, Oldsmobile wire wheel covers. You can see paint shows well on this one. It is black. It's a 1976. Yes, you're going to have a few imperfections here or there. But as far as shine, nice shine to it. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches, but let's take a look down this passenger side and we'll do a little walk around on it, see what we come up with. This panel's long and straight. Fender skirt still intact. And you can see it's, not full of corrosion, chips, rust on the bottom of it. You'll be able to see the underside picks. Get a good look at the lower rockers there too. And you can see reflection in the paint. Looks good. Love this luxury interior with the pillow seats. Very comfortable. Now, one thing I will tell you, and if you've watched the videos before, if I step back, there's the real color of that interior. It's a dark saddle. That's what Oldsmobile called it back in 1976. But if I get right on top of it, it's going to want to wash it out. No, it is not that light. When we get around to the driver's side, I'll show you a little more what I'm talking about. Top of the dash, not cracked, sun faded, anything like that. And again, we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out closer. Take a look at the Landau top, or partial vinyl top. We do have a little wear back here in this corner. Nothing too crazy. And again, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches down that passenger side. Chrome on the rear bumper also looks good. Another thing that you'll note is these filler panels. Lots of times in this vintage of car where these filler panels are, and in front of the chrome and the tail light, lots of times those kind of get aged, weathered, checked, cracked, broken out, but these look good on this one. That chrome on the rear of the car also looks good. Give you a good look at the trunk. And again, you can see a few spots where the paint kind of shows its age a little bit, but again, it's a 76, it's black. Looks awful good considering year. Once again, all those still pictures that you can see from every angle, in the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Some notes from the technician that checked this out in our service department. Stated it drove out very nice. Brakes straight. The brakes on it are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. Newer exhaust from the muffler back. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these big old 70s cruisers, whether it be a Buick, Oldsmobile, Chevy, Ford, what have you, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done right online or off our showroom floor. And as you can see up and down this driver's side, again, it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. The black paint has a nice shine to it. Catalytic converter, everything intact on the exhaust underneath. Again, take a good look at those underside picks. A little bit of wear over here in the armrest. As you can see, there's some cracking in that vinyl. Of course, power windows, power locks. As you can see, power seat over here on the driver's side. Look at just the condition of that seat. Free of rips, tears, holes. And once again, the true color of that interior. Let me step back. There it is, right there. Dark saddle, it was considered. When I get right up on top again, it washes it out. Tilt column, AM, FM 8-track player. And I did have the radio working. Odometer reads 04746, so 104,746. Quite possibly. Nope. So the radio's on, as you could hear when I started up. Let me go ahead. If you can hear that. Might be able to get a little bit better reception if I fine-tuned it, but. And of course, the 8-track. Antenna for local or distance channels, rear to fog to be an option. Climate control. And again, the 455 V8 underneath the hood. Top of the dash. Again, very nice condition. Here's this car was stored indoors. About that headliner. Looks like new. Seating surfaces are just great on the interior. That door, hinge pins are good, not sagging. Let's listen. Pretty smooth, quiet running 455, no doubt about that. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped open, check out that engine bay, and then, as usual, we'll get Jason to take it for a drive. You can go for a virtual ride, see how this one goes down the road. All right, let's check out the underside of the hood in this one. Pretty clean and tidy there. And engine bay. Looks pretty stock. Well maintained. Battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. AC Delco battery replacement. Gold top. 455, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, has been converted, as you can see up here. 4-barrel on there. Quadrajet, I do believe. HEI ignition. Also wanted to note the tires, I mentioned those earlier. Date coded 2023. Tons of tread left on them. This one's turnkey, folks. Get in it and go. 1976 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Coupe. How many of these do you see in a two-door anymore? Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1976 Oldsmobile 98. A big, beautiful two-door car in black with this kind of light brown and wood grain all over. The edges of the steering wheel, the center of the doors. Add that to the pillow top cushion split bench seats. And looking at the door panel, there is a pillow top cushion that matches the seats on the door panel. I don't remember seeing that before. This car is really the epitome of luxury styling for 1976. And a good runner, smooth runner. Nice and quiet. Strong acceleration. I would venture to guess that this car has not been around the odometer. It feels like a low mile car. Horn working good. Let's see here. Cruise control is switched on. It just picked up its speed. Cruise control's working as well. The AC's blowing cold in this car. Our fuel gauge shows a little less than a quarter of a tank. Speedometer appears to be about accurate. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. I'm looking at that dash, when there has to be a crack, right? But there's not. Extremely smooth looking dash, clean, crisp. Corners luxuriously the way a 76 Oldsmobile should. And kicking down the automatic transmission, you do feel the power kick up. There is, so one piece of wear I see on the driver's door, right about where you put your elbow, it is worn. Astonishingly not much else. It is a really good condition car. Smooth, quiet ride down the highway. Take a look at all the pictures of this 76 Oldsmobile at uniqueclassiccars.com.